Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to explain how you can actually maximize your returns on a cheap investment property. So not every investor wants or is able to spend 1 million dirham or more on a studio from a premium developer. Some buyers just prefer to go with the most competitive pricing on the market, which is fair, which is okay, which is a strategy to do. And the question is, how can you still achieve the highest possible returns if you buy cheap? That's exactly what we will cover today. I'll show you the key strategies that make affordable properties perform well and why, if done right, this approach can be actually very smart. First off, like everywhere in the world, we have location. Yeah? If you go with a budget-friendly developer, location becomes your most important filter. Even if the quality of the construction isn't at the level of Imar and Shoba, the right location can lift your returns. Take Azizi Riviera, for example. It was competitive priced, but it sits in Meydan, right next to downtown, and surrounded by luxury communities like Shoba Heartland with their forest villas and the upcoming Meydan 1 mall. So even though you're buying at a cheaper entry point, you're piggybacking on the value of the luxury projects around you. That's why location always beats everything else. Second, furnishing and presentation. In affordable buildings, many owners cut corners. Yeah, they buy cheap, they furnish cheap, and they accept only one check. This is exactly where you can stand out. If you put in modern, high-quality furniture and present your property professionally, you immediately separate yourself from 80% of the competition. Tenants will gladly pay more for a property that looks different, premium, and offers convenience. The difference can be thousands of dirhams per year. The next point definitely is the payment flexibility. So another easy win is payment terms. If you only accept one check, you attract one of the most price-sensitive tenants. It's exactly the opposite of what you want. Yeah, you think you only attract the high-income individuals by offering one check, but that's not true. Yeah, if you offer 12 checks, suddenly your apartment feels more affordable, even if the rent itself is higher. This flexibility alone can boost your rental income by 5 to 10%. The investment time frame. Now, one important point is, if you buy at the most competitive price, your investment horizon is usually shorter. Why? Because these properties are often not built for the very long term. Over 20 years, the quality may not hold up the way premium projects would do. Yeah? But in a short to midterm, let's say 3 to 7 years, they can deliver very attractive returns. You're putting in less capital upfront, which means your ROI percentage can actually be higher compared to premium projects. So if you're considering this approach, here's a checklist. Pick a location with strong future potential and surrounded by luxury developments. Invest in high quality furniture, even if the building itself is cheap. Offer flexible checks to attract better tenants. Market your property with professional photos and staging. And always keep your investment horizon shorter. Plan your exit ahead within 5 to 7 years for maximum impact. Let's say, for example, you buy a studio now for 650,000 dirham. Then you will see for similar buildings that are already delivered that their prices can range from 55,000 to 70,000. Really, the only difference between those two pricings is the points that I discussed earlier with you. So this is how you set yourself apart. This is how you get your 10-11% gross and net rental yields if you follow the steps. So to sum it up, buying at the cheapest entry point doesn't mean you have to sacrifice returns. With the right location, good furnishing, flexible payments, and smart positioning, you can still achieve some of the best yields in Dubai. I've created a downloadable guide that explains all of this in writing with examples and strategies you can use right away. So if you want me to send this guide to you, just comment "document" or click the link in the description to book a free consultation.